Have you ever wondered why humans stand upright and have large brains, unlike other species? This question sparks curiosity and leads us to the fascinating story of human evolution. You see, evolution is a slow but powerful sculptor, chiseling away over millions of years to create the masterpiece that is humanity. It all started with our earliest known ancestors, setting the stage for a journey through time. So let's dive back in time, about 7 million years ago, when the first human-like species started to emerge. Our journey begins with Sahelanthropus chadensis, thought to be the earliest human-like species. Living around 7 million years ago, these beings had a mix of ape-like and human-like traits, a blend that marks the twilight zone between humans and our primate ancestors. They had small brains similar to a modern chimpanzee, yet the structure of their teeth and the position of their foramen magnum, the hole in the skull where the spinal cord passes, was decidedly more human. Then, around 2.3 million years ago, we see the emergence of Homo habilis. This species, whose name translates to handyman, was the first in the Homo genus. They stood apart from their predecessors with their increased brain size and their use of stone tools, a significant step in human evolution. While Homo habilis were the first to use tools, they were far from the last. Fast forward to about 1.9 million years ago, the Homo erectus enters the scene. This species truly revolutionized the course of human evolution. Homo erectus, with their upright stance and increased brain size, showcased a new level of sophistication. They were a testament to evolution's splendid, unyielding progress. But what made them truly extraordinary was their wanderlust. They were the first of our ancestors to step out of Africa, to venture into the vast, unknown landscapes of Europe and Asia. This unprecedented migration marked the beginning of a global journey, a journey that would eventually populate every corner of the world with human life. Their tools, more intricate than those of any species before them, symbolized their advanced cognitive abilities. They demonstrated an understanding of their environment, a capacity to adapt, and a will to survive. The world was now starting to see human-like species in different parts of the globe. Now let's jump to around 300,000 years ago, when our direct ancestors, Homo sapiens, first appeared. It was a pivotal moment in the grand narrative of evolution. Physically, Homo sapiens were not drastically different from their predecessors. They had lighter skeletons, a smaller brow ridge, and a rounder skull housing a larger brain. But it was not just their physical traits that set them apart. The real game changer was their cognitive capabilities. Homo sapiens were capable of abstract thinking, planning, innovation, and symbolic communication. They started to create complex tools, they painted on cave walls, and they began to bury their dead, all signs of a rich symbolic culture. But the story doesn't end there. These innovative beings didn't stay put. They ventured out, first from Africa and then across the globe. It was a journey fraught with danger and uncertainty, but it was also one filled with discovery. They encountered different climates, landscapes, and even other human-like species. Despite the odds, they adapted, they learned, and they survived. This migration was not merely a physical journey. It was a testament to the indomitable spirit of Homo sapiens. They were explorers and innovators, survivors and storytellers. Their journey laid the groundwork for everything we are today. And that brings us to now, where Homo sapiens are the only surviving species of the Homo genus. But the story of human evolution doesn't end there. Evolution is a ceaseless process, a relentless force of nature that continues to shape us even today. We may not sprout wings or grow gills overnight, but subtle changes are always in motion. Remember our journey from the dawn of evolution, through the emergence of the first human-like species, to the rise of Homo erectus, and finally to the arrival of Homo sapiens. Each chapter of our story was marked by tremendous change and adaptation. We evolved to survive, to thrive, and to conquer. Today our evolution might be more about the mind than the body. We're cultivating knowledge, mastering technology, and continually redefining what it means to be human. The process that started millions of years ago is far from over. So next time you look in the mirror, remember the millions of years of evolution that have shaped you into who you are today. Evolution never stops, and who knows what the future holds for Homo sapiens?